Hello everyone, I'm Skois. I'm the developer of the F1 style overlay for Forza Horizon 6. First of all, I apologize for the audio. Second of all, I need to make a disclaimer. This overlay, okay, it's not bannable, okay? This overlay does not modify any game files, memory, processes whatsoever. This is a completely separate software to the game, okay? You cannot be banned by for using this, okay? Because this uses information and data that Forza provides. Okay, so you cannot be banned by using this. Okay, so at this point in time that I'm recording this video, the overlay is actually not available to download on Nexus Mods. Why? Because I compiled it to be an executable, and executables look suspicious naturally on Nexus mods. I already reported this to the support. I'm waiting on an answer, and I hope to get this fixed soon. For now, you can download the overlay on my GitHub page that I have open here, and you have all the information here. If you are suspicious of anything, you can check the code. It's open source, available for everyone to read and do pretty much all the analysis that you guys want. Okay. You have the guide here on the releases. You have the guide here of how to use it, how it works. Everything is set up here, but I'm gonna show you anyway in this video. On the very bottom, you have the executable. You just have to click it to download. And as it's an executable, actually Microsoft thinks it's suspicious. It's not, so we are going to keep it. Oh, I deleted it. Sorry. So keep it. Now I have to go to the drop down, keep it anyway, and it's in the downloads folder now. Okay. Uh, we need to go to the game, we need to go to settings, and we need to go to HUD and gameplay. Scroll to the very bottom, and you need to change these settings here. This will be off by default, and these two fields will be empty. You need to turn it on and set up this IP address and this port. Okay, you can change the port, but you also have to change in the overlay as well. I'll show you that in a minute. Okay. Having this done, you just can open the overlay and you'll be welcomed with a wizard. I, for one, use manual transmission on my controller. If you use a clutch, you select the clutch or automatic, whatever you want. I'm gonna go with manual. I click next. This is the configuration of the buttons that you use. You can later on change it. Okay, so shift up, shift down, hide. This is to hide your overlay. I'll show you that in a minute as well. And the overlay is open here. Okay, so right now, if I drive, oh wait, I'm a bad driver. As you can see, the overlay is working perfectly. Okay. Um, okay, so I added some buttons recently due to suggestions of people that are already using. So the first button, you can move the overlay around. Okay, you can put it anywhere on the screen. The second button, you can resize it if you want to be really visible. Okay. Third one, you have a settings panel, and pretty much you can change everything in here. You can change the transmission. You can hide the rev lights if you don't want it. You can hide the gear indicator, the arrows for the shifts. If you want to hide the brake bar, throttle, you can show the percentages of each button for the accelerator and the brake. As you can see now, the percentages is showing. You can change the colors. For once, you have 3 green, 3 yellow, 3 red. Let's say I want the green to be blue. I'm gonna change it here, and oh, wait, I do not have the game focused. Okay, as you can see now, it's blue. You can change pretty much everything here. You can change the buttons here. This is a code for the X input. You just need to press whichever button you want and it will appear as so. So don't worry much about it. Reset calibration. This is how can I explain? The game actually does not provide the RPMs for each car. Okay, we only have a max RPM for each car. So the overlay does an estimate on the RPM red lines. That's why when you open up the overlay and you load a new car, the RPMs might not look right for the first, second gear, but after that will be working perfectly because the overlay adapted. Okay, so don't worry about it. If it feels off, it will not be for long. Okay, restoring defaults, you can restore pretty much everything. I don't know why the overlay disappeared. I don't know what I'm doing. Well, I'm gonna close it. This might be a small bug that I need to fix very soon. Okay. Um, you can restore the defaults. So let's say I want to increase the size and I don't like it, I restore to the default. And this is the UDP port that we configured in the settings. You can change it here, but you also need to change in the settings. Okay. When you are using the overlay, these two files will be created. Okay. You can open it up. This is a calibration for each car. So I only have one, as you can see, because I only used one car right now. And this is the configuration. This is basically the settings. Okay. You can change it through here as well. Um, what else is there? Again, I cannot get tired to say this is not bannable. Okay, you are not doing anything illegal. I am aware that the overlay does not work on cracked versions of the game, and for those people, I'm sorry, I will not be working on a solution for you guys. Honestly, I can't criticize you for cracking the game, but the only thing I can say is you should buy the game. Okay, you should because it's a really good game. A lot of people worked on it. Um, a lot of money was spent creating this game. Okay, so please buy the game if you can. If you can't, I'm sorry, you cannot use the overlay unless a good soul works on it. Again, the code is available for anyone to download and modify. So if you want to work on it. Just let me know. Create like a fork or a new branch or something. Do a pull request on GitHub. I'll review it, and if you tell me everything is working, I'm gonna trust you because I cannot test, and probably we'll have a different branch for that version of the overlay. Um, what else is there? I don't. I think I approach everything in this video. So all I got to say is let me know what you think. Please comment both on Access Mods and on GitHub if you can. And yeah, enjoy the overlay, guys. See ya.